Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Vegetable stew recipe for toddlers. Vegetable stew is a great dish to add in your baby's diet. It is easy to make and loaded with different veggies. Learn how to make this healthy baby food recipe with a few simple steps. Cooking time needed. Preparation time 10 minutes. Cook time 30 minutes. Total time 40 minutes. Type of meal vegetarian. Suitable for toddlers older than 15 months of age. Meal schedule breakfast, lunch or dinner. Ingredients needed: carrot 1 tablespoon, beans 1 tablespoon, green peas 10 taken from the pod, water as needed, salt as per taste, ghee or clarified butter or oil 1/4 tablespoon, tomato 1/4 cup, pepper powder half a teaspoon, minced garlic 2 to 3 cloves, 1 small onion, cornstarch 1 tablespoon, dried rosemary or celery 1 tablespoon, 1 inch ginger, 1 potato. Instructions to make: wash the vegetables in running water, peel and cut the carrots, potato into small dices, chop the beans into equal sizes, de-seed the peas from the pod. Steam the chopped veggies in a steamer for about 10 minutes. Once the vegetables are soft, cool, and blend them in a mixer till smooth. Heat butter in a pan. Add the onion and saute till it turns transparent. Add the minced ginger, garlic, chopped tomatoes, and stir. As the tomatoes become mushy, pour in the vegetable broth. Turn up the heat to boil. Mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water in a bowl. Add the cornstarch to the stew. Stir it till the consistency becomes thick. Add more water if needed. Add seasonings like salt, pepper powder, and herbs on top. Switch off the flame and serve warm. Recipe tips: this simple vegetable stew recipe can be made using coconut milk instead of water, while adding curry leaves replaces the Italian seasoning. Strain out the tomatoes if you think its skin or seed might cause choking while eating. Feed each of the vegetables used in this recipe individually to ensure no allergies have been found. You can pressure cook the vegetables with 3 whistles before making the stew. You can even use a combination of oils with vegetables for this homemade vegetable stew baby food recipe. Homemade vegetable stew for babies always tastes best when made with love and care by doting mothers. Serve it a little warm and your kid is sure to love it.